Welcome to exercise 2, reverse outlining. By the end of this video, you will be able to define reverse outlining, understand the uses of reverse outlining in the revision process, and complete a reverse outline. First, what is reverse outlining? A process whereby you take away all of the supporting writing and are left with the paper's main points or main ideas, sometimes represented by your paper's topic sentences. Why is reverse outlining so useful? By reviewing your reverse outline, you should be able to identify major problem points with your claim, your evidence, or your organization. Basically, a reverse outline provides a place to begin your revision process. Next, I'm going to switch to Microsoft Word to provide an example of a reverse outline handout. This handout gives you an idea of what a reverse outline looks like. You begin by identifying the claim or objective of the written piece. If you don't know what this is, take a moment and think about what you want your reader to take away from the piece. You then proceed to take the topic sentences that you have already identified and highlighted and put them in the place of the paragraph in the order of the paragraphs. And finally, you end with a conclusion. In addition to the topic sentence, sometimes it's helpful to also put in evidence to show how you're proving the topic sentence point, and also to have a better understanding of your organization. But the point of a reverse outline is to be bare bones. Once you finish your reverse outline, answer these questions. Does each paragraph support your claim, or do you have one or two that contain extraneous information? Do your paragraphs seem to lead into each other, or are your ideas scattered throughout the paper? Would the organization and logic of your paper work better if the order of the paragraphs was changed? Do some paragraphs have too many ideas? Do those paragraphs need to be broken into two paragraphs? Is there some dissonance between what is being claimed and what is being proven? If so, do you need to rewrite your claim or some topic sentences and paragraphs? To give you an idea of a reverse outline, I decided to make one for this historical essay on the Constitutional Convention, which we used in our previous examples for how to identify and pull out topic sentences. To give you an example of how a reverse outline can begin the revision process, I have included my annotations. Please follow along, replay, and freeze the screen if necessary.